Alright, so today we're going to draw two characters from Star Wars. Okay? One is called a Porg, and the other one is called a Tauntaun. Okay?
What's a Tauntaun?
Porg looks like a penguin. Tauntaun looks like a dinosaur. Okay? Alright, so let's start with
I
Porg.
never heard of Tauntaun.
Oh, you're going to learn about Tauntaun today. And I will tell you more about Tauntaun after we finish drawing, okay?
Ooh, can you tell me all about it?
Yeah, I will show you pictures of Tauntaun after we're done, okay? But right now we need to draw Porg. Okay, and we'll start by spelling Porg.
Porg?
What do you think it starts with?
P.
P. Okay.
O. R.
R.
I guess there are.
What's G?
G.
G. That's it. It's got a short name. P-O-R-G. Okay?
P-O-R-G.
And this is how you draw a Porg, okay?
How?
I'm going to show you right now.
Is a Porg easy?
It's a little bit easier than a Tauntaun. So we're going to start with eyes first. Right here in the middle, Charlotte. Watch how big it is over here. Okay? Oval. Okay? Oval. Okay. And then I need to switch marker. This one's running out of ink. Okay. And now we're going to draw nose and mouth. Okay, so the nose is on the bottom between these two. So one here, one here. Okay, and then the mouth is like this.
Why he's angry?
He's not happy. He's not angry, okay?
Is he sad?
He's not sure. And then we're going to draw a small circle inside the eye, okay? Small circle. Okay, and then we're going to draw the eyeball. Watch, Charlotte, watch. Okay. The other eyeball inside. Okay.
It's a really big eyeball.
Okay, so from here we're going to draw his head. So if you go up here in the middle, we're going to do some spiky hair. Okay, it's got some spiky hair in the middle. Do like 4. Okay, very good. And then we're going to do a curve down, follow the eyes. Okay, so down here, and stop here. Okay, good. Make sure you have space here next to the eye. Okay, so watch. I'm going to go to the side. Okay, okay.
Now, too much space.
Yeah, it's too much space. Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad you pointed that out. The left side and the right side is going to be the same. Okay. Fix that. Okay. Alright, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna go a little bit lower. This? Yeah, just past the mouth here, okay? And then we're gonna draw the arm, or the wings, I mean. The wings, like a penguin, okay? Like this. And the wing curves into the body, like this, like a leaf. And same thing on this side, like a leaf. Okay. And then we're going to draw the bottom of the body like this. And then we'll draw legs like this. Okay, you have 3 toes and they're triangular. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw his fur on his body. Okay, watch. So the top of the wing here. No. Top of the body here. We're gonna draw a line down here. Okay. This is the tummy. It's a different color. Okay, so we're gonna do this side as well. And then we're going to have some fur here.
Zigs.
Yeah. So small zigs. Okay, it doesn't touch his eye. Okay, and then it's going to go up around his eye to the middle and stop. Okay? The same thing on this side. We're going to go up around the eye. And we're going to stop here in the middle. And we're going to connect it with some triangles going up and down. Okay, so that is a porg. Okay?
Bubble.
Tauntaun. Tauntaun is next. So Tauntaun looks like a T-Rex, okay? With big horns.
Is he a bad guy?
No, these are good guys. These are wild animals. Okay, so first,
I saw Tauntaun.
we're going to start by spelling the name. Do you know how to spell Tauntaun?
Nope. T.
Okay, this is how you spell Tauntaun.
T.
T.
I got it. T.
A. U. N. And then we repeat. Okay, T. A. U. N. Tauntaun. Okay.
Tauntaun.
We're gonna start with the eyes, okay? So we're drawing the side of the Tauntaun, so you can only see one eye. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start the eye. It's an oval. It's the same shape as the porg eye, okay? Same size. Okay. And then we're gonna draw another circle over that. Charlie, can you stop kicking? Thank you. You're making a loud noise when you're kicking. And then one more. Not too big, okay? Just a little bit bigger. Okay, there's like 3 circles inside each other, okay? Okay, now we're gonna draw his head, okay?
A bumpy head?
There's hairs on the head. So we're gonna do 3 spikes here, okay? I don't think you have room.
1, 2, 3. We do have room.
Okay, and then we're gonna draw down here. Stop. Okay,
It's a
and
straight
then
line.
this is where we're gonna draw the horn, okay? So you're gonna draw a line curving down. Follow the eye, okay? Follow the eye, and then it stops underneath the eye. And then we're gonna draw the other side of the horn, which is on this side, okay? It's gonna curve back, get narrow, and connect. And we're gonna decorate this thing with curves like this, okay? So it's curving, curve, 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 curve. It gets smaller, right? The curves are smaller.
Curve.
Okay, now we're going to draw the rest of his face, okay? So it's gonna come down like this, curving down, and then we'll have a mouth here. The mouth is a rectangle with curves on the end, okay? That's a little bit too long. Here, let's make it shorter. Okay, make it shorter. Got it? See how mine is shorter than yours? Yes. Okay, draw a line in the middle. And then we're going to draw a line for his nose. And then a small dot for his nose, okay?
She looks cute.
Well, if you want to learn more about him, finish drawing with me and I'll show you, okay? So now we're going to draw his neck. So this is his mouth and goes to here. Stops. Okay, put your hand down here. Hold on to your paper. What are you doing? Okay, and then we'll draw a straight line down here. Okay. And then this line's gonna curve down here to the right. Okay, and then we're gonna draw an arm here. So watch, stop picking the chair. So from here, we're gonna come down, do like a angle here, and it's gonna come to here, and this is the arm. Come back up. Very good. Okay, wait. Go up. Yep, stop right there. Okay, very good. That's very good. And then we're gonna draw his. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Itchy.
You're itchy.
But I'm okay.
Oh, we're gonna stop. You're itchy, right?
I'm fine now. I'm okay.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
not itchy anymore.
Oh, okay. Then you want to take your hands out of your pants, please? Okay, here's the back. Okay. Just stop there. Yep. And then this is going to come down. And then here, we're going to draw the leg, okay? So it's going to go to the right. And then it's going to come back down here. Straight. Yep, stop. Okay. And here's a foot. Pretty big foot, okay? And then it's gonna go to the right, like an angle here.
Is he a monster?
No, he's like a dinosaur, not a monster.
Is he bigger than a dinosaur?
Yeah. No, it's a small dinosaur. So go up to here. Go up. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. And then we're gonna draw the other leg, the front of his leg here. So watch. So watch me first, okay? Yep, very good. Okay, and then we'll draw his tummy. So from here, this is his body, right? So watch from here. Come down. Okay. And he has a tail. So what's gonna happen is from his tummy to the back here, we're gonna draw a tail, okay?
Tail.
So here, watch. We're gonna behind his body, and then his tail is here. Okay. Not too long. That's good. And then we're going to draw this side, the top of the tail here.
Is it really thick?
It's not very long. There you go. It's pointy though. Okay, so we're going to add another line to the tail here. The bottom of the tail. And we'll draw the other arm. So the other arm is also hanging. It's kind of like a T-Rex, right? The arms are short. Front. Okay, the other arm. Very good. And then we'll draw the other leg. Okay, watch. I can feel your kick, Charlotte. Okay. And then we'll connect it like this. Okay. Oh, we forgot to add the ears. He's got a couple ears up here, right next to the horn, okay? So,
Like in here.
Watch. So, watch. Okay, ear number 1. And then the smaller ones on the other side, okay? You can't see the other ones blocking. Okay, and then we'll draw the inside of the ear. Okay. So that's a tauntaun, okay?
We colored it.
Yeah, now we're gonna color it.